Hey superstar, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Maryamkapama. Welcome if you're new here, and if you're my day one subscriber, my returning supporter, I so much appreciate you for tuning in. You mean everything to me. In today's video, I'm here to teach you 2 ways to make neem oil for massive hair growth at home, in the comfort of your own home, with very affordable products. Here I usually post 2 videos a week, so I want to encourage you to subscribe and to click the bell notification so get notified every time I do an upload. First thing first, the ingredients will be the fresh neem leaves. Of course, these ones are very important that you wash them and let them air dry before you begin making this neem oil. So these leaves you see here, I'm plucking them out because they already dried, cleaned, so they're ready to be used. Be sure to wash your oil, because by your leaves, when you wash them leaves, you reduce bacteria and other stuff that will be in the leaves. Other than that, I'll be using 2 half cups of the sunflower oil. You can use olive oil, you can use rice grain oil, or any other carrier oil of your choice that you have access to. So as I said, I used 2 cups of this pure sunflower oil to making this oil. I'm not adding any water in the blender, it's just the fresh neem leaves and the oil. I'm adjusting it to the blender to blend it up. Neem is very excellent when it comes to treating head lice. If head lice is your concern, be sure to start very soon using this oil, because it's excellent when it comes to reducing head lice. Just be sure to apply it on your scalp at least every time, or just once a week. It will really help you fast. If you can do it daily, it's amazing, but if you have time, just do it once a week. It will still show you gradual results. I want also to tell you, if dandruff is your concern, let's just put an end to that, because with this treatment, with this oil adjusted to your scalp, applied to your scalp, it will deal with dandruff completely, because it's having anti-fungi and antibacterial properties that are going to destroy all the formation of the bacteria. So there'll be no dandruff at all, no fungi, no bacteria, no nothing. So it's very important that you use this if you're suffering from either head lice or dandruff. Here we are adding the blended mixture in the pan with a very low heat. Be sure to use very low heat, because we were doing infusion. We are infusing the neem to the oil. That's why this oil is going to turn very green, because of the chlorophyll. The chlorophyll of the leaves will go into the oil, and you're going to use that oil to apply it in your scalp. So it's very important that you use low heat. Also, it's really good at soothing frizzy hair. If your hair tangles, freezes, it's important to use this, because it's going to restore natural luster of your hair, so your hair is going to become very soft. Here's the second way on how to prepare this amazing hair oil, the neem oil. First of all, we're going to need, of course, the dry neem powder. As you can see, if you don't have access to these leaves, I have prepared a video on how you can prepare your own neem powder. I'll attach it in the card, so be sure to check it. But if you don't have any access to this tree, you can check to these Indian stores. They usually have the neem leaves, the neem powder, so you can use that to make the neem oil. It's very important. And also I'm using the same oil, the pure sunflower oil. As I said, feel free to use any oil that you have access to. You can use rice grain oil, you can use olive oil, you can use castor oil if your hair is high porosity, low porosity, just to seal in everything. So here I'm using just a half cup and I'm adding it to the pan. Again, the pan is in the very low heat. Just let the oil warm up before you add those leaves. However, this neem oil is really good at conditioning your scalp. Whether it's pH imbalance, it's going to balance it out. Whether it's skin inflammation, it's going to help out. Whether it's skin irritation, it's going to help out. It's really good at helping scalp conditions because neem is having protein, is having calcium, is having some sulfate. It's also packed with vitamin C. It also contains keratin. It contains fatty acid. It contains amino acid. I can name a lot, but just so you know, it's a powerhouse. It's packed with nutrients that are going to help your hair tremendously. The results of using this oil, it's going to be amazing. Just let the leaf infuse into the oil. You'll notice the color of the oil will be changing into deep green color. Here, just stir to help it infuse. Make sure it's in the very low heat because we need to operate with this when it's in the low heat. This is few days later when I left it to cool. I just added them in the bottles because I wanted to clean the front pans. So I'm going to use this wig cap to separate the oil from the particles of the neem leaf. So here, this is the first one, the fresh neem leaves that I used earlier. This the second day, it's all cooled. We're just using this to help it to become clear, to remove all the chunks because you don't want to be left with any chunks in your hair. If you're getting any value, please be sure to click the like button. Let's make some noise in the comment section. Let me know that you're getting values from me. Just comment #Neem. I'll understand you guys, you're getting value because I try as much as I can to provide you with values that are going to change your hair journey. It's going to ease in your hair journey and make it a breeze as long as it has helped mine. I'll be sharing. So this is the neem oil. As you can see, the pigment is real. It's totally green. And I'm also sifting the second one, the one I used, the DIY neem powder. So it's the same procedure. You let it infuse in the low heat, then you swift it after it cools. So I'm also swifting this. As you can see, it's amazing. Again, as I said, neem is amazing. Usually it acts as a temporary seal for hair follicles, so it's going to promote healthy hair growth. So if your hair is weakening, is itchy, is dull, is unhealthy, is breaking, let's put an end to that. You feel me? It's the end because, as you know, neem has been used to cure malaria here in Africa, especially here in Tanzania. People drink the neem leaf, they boil it, they drink just to cure malaria. So it's a powerhouse. You can use the roots, the seeds, the leaves. They're all packed with nutrients that are going to help. So I'm going to add the oil into the bottle just for storage issues. And I'm also going to show you in this next video right over here, as you can see on my screen, how you can apply this neem oil to your hair, to your scalp. Different ways you can use this oil to your scalp. You can use it to your beards. It's okay. It's going to grow it tremendously because it activates sleeping hair follicles. So you're going to experience more hair if you adjust this neem oil to your hair regimen. Neem oil can be used as a hot oil treatment or just normal oil, or even as a sealant. Just feel free to adjust it to your hair regimen. As you can see, I'm applying it, does not leave any color. It softens out and it's really amazing. Just be sure to click the link, this video right over here on your screen, to watch how I apply this on my hair, and the results are amazing. Please, if you haven't subscribed until this point, be sure to subscribe. Follow me on all my social media accounts, and be sure to check the description box, because if you're a real one, you'll check the description box. There's a lot of information over there. Be sure to check it out. I'll see you guys in this video right over here in my screen. I'll see you guys there. Be sure to follow me, like this video, comment down below. I love you guys. Bye bye.